Hello guys. Today we will see how to deactivate Facebook. Let's go then. To deactivate your Facebook account, follow these steps. Number 1. Log into your Facebook account using your email address and password. Number 2. Click on the down arrow in the top right corner of the Facebook page. This arrow is typically located to the right of the question mark icon. Number 3. In the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy and then click on Settings. Number 4. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, click on Your Facebook Information. Number 5. Click on Deactivation and Deletion. Number 6. Choose Deactivate Account and then click the Continue to Account Deactivation button. Number 7. You will be asked to provide a reason for deactivating your account. You can choose one from the options provided or write your own explanation. Number 8. You can also opt to receive messages from friends or continue using Messenger while your account is deactivated. Make your choice and click Deactivate. Number 9. Enter your password when prompted to confirm the deactivation. Number 10. Your Facebook account will be deactivated, and your profile, along with most of your information, will be hidden from others on Facebook. You can reactivate your account at any time by simply logging in with your email and password. Keep in mind that deactivating your account is not the same as deleting it. Deactivation is temporary, while deletion permanently removes your account and all associated data. If you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, you can find instructions for that in Facebook's Help Center. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.